Hey, my purple posse. I wanted to show you that what I had to put on my steering wheel. It's a master lock, you know, those clubs, like a low jack. I'm hoping that's going to deter people from trying to, you know, steal it. Living in the city life. I can't wait to get back to nature. That's what I can't wait for. Otherwise, I have really nothing to, you know, except for me work, which no one wants to hear about that. But I am so missing the rural area. This is just, it's like fingernails on a chalkboard. How's that? Anyway, don't forget to play. See you.